even say the projects which are approved by the Goa Investment Promotion Board, and thereafter we want to see its implementation, and that during implementation they don't face any hurdles. So that project proponent, if he is facing any issues, so he can directly load the project on this portal. Not only the projects which are cleared by Goa Investment Promotion Board, but any project proponent. Say even I am saying even a small portal, because we have kept the scope say more than 50 crores. So if he is facing any problem with the pollution control board, or say even sometimes there are issues regarding removal of utilities, small acquisition of land, so any issue pertaining to the state government, so they can be put and they can be resolved, and for that the meetings in the state government will be taken by the Honorable Chief Minister or by the Chief Secretary.